Oi, gente, estamos aqui de novo para fazer outra experiência do nosso professor Elcio. Mas dessa vez é neve artificial, feito com o pó extraído da fralda descartável, que esse pó se chama poliacrilato de sódio. Junto com a água morna, vai dar um efeito bem bacana. Vamos ver como vai ficar? Você vai mexendo até ele ficar bem consistente, igual tá aqui, olha. Nem mexe mais.
Sério.
Olha que legal fica, né?
Ó, você pode até virar ele, que a neve, que vira realmente uma neve.
Um gel.
Ó, dá um efeito de neve. Dá um efeito bem legal, ó. É isso, gente.
Tamo aí, fala, professor.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a comer. This is fucking awesome.
Now, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
Damn, that's a cold ass honky.
rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes. Those are green, draped in a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this. Smells like R. Kelly sheets. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in bummy and grungy fucking man. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money. And I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Velour jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. They had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket. Then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game, hell no. I could take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those.